Yo, Biggie Chordunko, we're live. One, two. Alright, cool. Put this chat aside. And that way I'm able to see both chats. Yeah.
It's that plug talk. Shit out the fucking mud talk. Can't spit it if you ain't out the slums talk.
Kapela libasok zitin kanjan izinja zam makhelwane waflop ubiza boba kwizinja zam asidali ngestok awubiza bona kwizinja zam zakhe bayekalo awubiza bona kwizinja zam
Afunga ngwashima Nyabola Bathuba no petima Umsoda
Liam, what's up? Hey guys, I'm failing to. Let me do this. Guys, I'm failing to balance work and streaming. Hey, my phone 3 go feature tlhabana. A go feature malita. Role model band. Hope once bruh, I'm here. Nna ke kgonne a o kgonne go intubetse nna o naka. Yeah, no, I'm done. I'm taking a break. I'm having problems balancing work and streaming. What graphic card are you running? This is GeForce RTX 5060, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I'm not good with. So I'm having a problem with streaming and work because phone 5 the results did you do matter. That's why I was online. Man, I'll just stress it out. But I'm there's still time, you're still young to correct your mistakes. Scalaira okay. There's still time. Scala I need to go to what's that guy's name up? Let me see if I can get a card in. What the flip? I have to eat. Okay, I don't have food. I have gold. I need to go sell this gold. Let me buy food here. I need to go sell this gold. Yo, Letty, what's up? I hope you're good. Check you guy. Kana kias gelaka satis. Ow! Why was gelaka Saturday, man? How do I third eye? I forgot to third eye. Okay, there we go. I need to buy. I hope I'm fine too. Yo, what's up? What's up? What's up? If I could get 5 of these beggars. What am I gonna do with lighters? English teacher at least girl. Yes, girl, I like that. There's nothing you can do. Yeah, I attend that. I like that. Can I not buy a bottle of water? Let me just buy one. So you are in 5. Okay, 5-2. 5 Kaja, 2 Kimit. 5 Jara Chief. 2 Kimit. Tlang kholera Popeye. What I wanna see after school. O boela se kgweng a ke le dilo ke kubiena bana ke ile tiro ke as a tour guide. Ke kubile because you guys' comments were just bad. Abanko. I had a perfect job here. Listen, beliro ke kubi. Wait, who? What car should I take? Land Cruise. My Land Cruise. Content there so quite best. This guy la wa re ka bua mi. Ke tlhoka petrol. I need to go to check out Mtako thing. Ntso e tsa koloi ya. Matobile a mankan. Listen baby. TT. V8 in Tuana. Let the suspension in. Yeah, la. But the handling after kids are material is hard. Handling after kids are Originally ka license ao bana handling tla bana e thata bana wa go bala habibi handling ya koloi ever since by the way ena le no se gape e bulletproof. Let me check if this guy is here. But I don't think so. Fish. This guy's not here, man.
dialed cannot.
Kan the polo guy?
The number you have dialed.
Dumela tlebiki. Oh la, inside. GTA Online, yeah. But this is the RP one.
The number you have dialed. The number you have dialed cannot be reached.
Who's online then?
The number you have dialed.
Oh, Zulu thing. SS. Hey, he's gonna call me back.
The number you have dialed can.
Hey, he's gonna call me back. Yeah.
The number you have dialed cannot be reached.
Yeah. Hola.
Sure.
A long time, bro.
Nke ga itse ba ngvaisitse.
Ba go vaisitse?
Ne ba ngvaisitse nke ka lebaka la ba re nna ke a vaya.
Ka lebaka la ka?
A o ska re ka lebaka la ka.
Haibo. Hectic.
Wena PK wena.
It's not me, bruh.
Ai.
What did I do?
It's a long story. Re tlwelle fela khutli.
No, I've been on vacation for long. Hey, this is when I'm coming back.
No. Bon, over no.
Huh?
O ko kae no tlolata.
Ke go TT by the garage. I was on to do something here, but it's locked.
Sezwakala.
Okay, sure.
My love.
Sure.
Asabe.
Bafana ba tlile go kidnap ta ka go ba go mpola ka go bolella. And I'm the reason he got banned. Ba tlile go mpola. Malitak, I feel like these guys are gonna kill me, bruh. Hey. Unayenga whiskey glass. Nah, it's just water, chief. Give me it. Nothing hectic. Give me it. See ya. It's happy. I'm not that guy, bruh. You see, like what are you doing? What a GT. I will not have kitchen chill outfit. Outfit chana koloi. It's your fault, the chat salon. How banna. Malefe don't run. But Chad, how is the outfit? Outfit the chana koloi again. But they won't do me hostage, bruh. This is the guy that hired me at that engine petrol station. I don't want to hide. I'm facing my problems head on. Off it on. Guys, we're also live on YouTube if you're interested to go watch the full screen. YouTube name is YouTube name is remmogovisuals. Hey, I'm trying to get a farm. You look like somebody's father. Yeah, young farmers are. So I hope these guys don't take long to come. You got it, Tebogolitsile. Toto wena ba fana ba batla ka lekolo je dintseng ya toto bo. It's load shedding or there's gonna be load shedding. Bruh, I've been waiting. Ba ka ba fana ba ya no nawan. Ke ba eh? Ke bone koloi e heta ka dishotohane. At the Easting Cruiser Shabana. Cruiser Naka. Guys, we are live on YouTube as well if you're interested to come watch the YouTube stream. Bafana babaka ina ban. Highball load shedding has been implemented. Hi go load shedding. Hi bana diwa za game. Guys, go load hi wana mtakasi. Mtakasi wili. At the stage 1, load shedding. Duration is 10 minutes. So ako sila mtakasana, kuya ka lang. Yeah, it's a nice. Yeah, I do. It's a nice feature to the game. Malik taka ako na matlakas mo game. Para mo load shedding. Ko batla heist. Game etse bangwe kwa. Hey game.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Now the Bundesgang.
What did I do now?
Bundesgang. Well, born the Bundesgang about.
Huh?
Galbody po, eh. Uno. Fares makeup. Fares makeup. Fares makeup. Fares makeup.
Hey
How's
la.
it, PK?
Hola.
Right, Ilani.
You're right. When
Aye. Go fresh. Ilani store.
yeah, I'm just from the farm, you know.
I see.
Yeah.
Yeah, you look like a fool today.
Hey man, I've been in vacation for long, but I just came back.
Yeah, even me, I was on for a long time. I think for a month. But they released me there.
Why?
Maybe I have 4 to 5 days since I'm back. Yeah.
What's happened with the load shedding now in this game, man? Hey,
Bruh.
Hey, things are bad.
Everything is dark.
where's the president can do when it's tough like this?
I don't know. This president, I don't know.
Hi, bro. So when it's load shedding, yeah, well, what happens? We just wait for the power to come back, or we are just chilling?
I think we can just maybe try some heisting and kill some folks.
We can do that.
I don't have any guns, man.
I don't have guns, though.
These guys will catch us.
Yeah, ne?
If maybe there were 3 cops and then maybe we shy the biggest bank. See?
Bruh, but when I came back, there were a lot of cops in now, eh?
Yeah, but now there are 2, and these 2, stupid cops. This one, they just took my license off my gun license and my gun. They said I have by ten daddy in a gunpowder. I have a gunpowder in my
Turn the gunpowder.
Eish.
So they took my gun, but
Let you. Alright.
Those stupid cops I wanna kill them today.
Hey, this guy would do. I think General Willis. I want that guy's head, bruh.
Who's that guy?
Willis is the police, the General Willis.
What he did, Willis?
Bruh, he caught me, bruh. I hijacked someone's car and they came with 4 cars, dog.
Yeah.
I was trying to explain. That guy handcuffed me and threw me in the car.
He didn't want to talk anything.
But he's like, you know what you did? I'm like, bruh, what did I do? He's like, man, you know. And they charged me 800K, bruh.
Hey, these new police guys.
Someone is calling. Wait. Someone is calling me. Yeah.
Hey, Chief.
Hola.
Dinta.
Sharp.
Organita.
You go TT.
So no stress. Ke a goroga da.
Okay, sharp. Okay. Yeah, a friend of mine is coming here also.
Maybe at least maybe.
Ah, yeah. I need to move these back buttons on my thingy. Wait.
What
me
you
remove.
doing?
Let me remove this.
What you doing?
Get John J. John J again is coming. Hey, but I have a raptor. I wanna do some nice things to it, but this guy is closed now. Ish.
Nah, this guy works here.
Ah, it's
so
open.
No, this guy works here.
Oh, you work here?
Yeah, I work here.
Hey, but I have a raptor. Ish. I need to be done with. I need to work on it.
Okay.
Go take
Yeah, I don't normally do customing. I only do towing most of the time. He's the one that does customizing. This one.
Okay, if you wanna customize,
It's this one. Yeah, it's this one. Let's go to LS Customs. Me, I do towing most of the time, but we also do customizing.
I see Uso believe. So when the power come back, we can lend LS Customs. You customize it.
Yeah, I'll do it.
Right, way clean.
Where's that golf of yours with no table? With no
bruh, that car, bruh, is still there, bruh. I wanna give that car away, man. I wanna give that car. Lina la YouTube, remmogovisuals. I wanna give that car away, bruh.
That car of yours, that one.
It's still there. You still owe me. I paid that time, ne?
Hey, Baba, I did that thing for you for free.
Are you sure?
PK, you are the one who owes me a lot of money.
Okay, let's leave it.
Your first million came from me, if you remember.
I know, bruh.
Oh. Did you find any house then?
Yeah, I found a house. I have a house. I bought a house. I think this is my friend. Oh, here's a Mark 1.
He's wearing a mask.
Hey, give me the 8.
Hola, gents.
Hola. Mask kwa inyano. Apala mask chief.
Chief, mana. Ne dira hala dilo hwane halita.
Ne dira hala.
Mataka mangana mana ka bare ba. Datana he ban robara da mana ka hela ki. It's working. Hodira highest hwane. Yo hola. Hola, wasa.
Pero ubalo. So my mask. Hey, so my mask.
What's up, gents? It's John J.
John J.
John J, yeah.
John J.
I don't want.
Not suspicious of a mask.
Nah, don't worry, gents. I'm chill. Otherwise.
Oh, John J. Usebenza iliche.
Yeah, exactly.
But sebenza pha iliche.
Otherwise, what's the story?
Keep your mask. I deal with you face to face.
Uma wili uzomthini? As uma wili one day mele simbambe. Simkribe fast. Senze lezi zakudala. Lezi zakudala.
Guys, we can't understand. Nah, akisebenzi.
Oh, okay. We do a heist and then kill that cop.
Yo, I'll be back, gents. I'll be back.
Okay, sure.
See?
Yeah, don't we right now. Hey, la we right here. Hey, la.
I don't do. What else am I going to go?
Better the black speedy way. I get.
Ndagora harautsa na mokolo we tirle I show speed one o itse re
Hey, let me try fix the audio sound. How audio when got us?
Ke tla dale ta.
Sure. Voice chatting me is up there. Hey, the power is back. Should we go to LS?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go to others.
Or that sharp?
Yeah, ama rewards kunjani ke?
I say, I say danger. I'll follow you, ne? Our music is distracting, bruh. Guys, I'm live on YouTube as well at gaming with not gaming with at remmogovisuals. Fela koloi ke ya drift ba nna. Bathong. Koloi ke you went straight, ne? Ah. Nkatla thula. Eish. Yeah, let me go get the raptor from outside. Get our pimpa raptor. Guys, if you're watching this for the first time, please do follow. Oh, it's locked. I hope I won't go to Kolo. Did I manage to join as a guest? I'm trying to get my raptor. Hola.
Le dule ko TT ne man.
Hey, go LS Customs out.
Sure.
Sharp.
Eh.
Yeah, so that's the car.
They're doing what in this car now?
Full spec, everything. Engine, pipe, wheels, everything.
Let me help this guy.
Guys, if you're interested to go watch on YouTube, it's remmogovisuals for you to come watch the full screen. If you can, just jump on YouTube then.
Yeah. Begin, Jack.
What's up?
Worry.
Huh?
You're worry.
Well, I'm chilling.
Wait. Let's check routine is convenient, brother. wena uza neemoto zomdubulo.
ya le khete le gorogile.
Mwana hampo re ke tsewa ke batho dog. Yes.
Bomang.
Hampo wa the Jack yana.
Jackie.
Avale rasto mwana ba re nya like I will sell you some dope with I will sell you some weed. Bona ba ntsha ditlhobolo dog.
Why? You don't trust no one in this city, bra.
Nah, ke mora gre brayaka, you don't wanna mess with me. I get tirlentanga nyan ke mora. Hey, man, you don't know me, man. I roll with the big boys.
PK.
Yeah, what's up? Oh, these are nice wheels. Yo, hey, this is my taste right here. Oh, BMW. Oh my wait, my guy.
Why banganya ngwana? Why banganya?
Yeah. Look at the rims, my guy. Oh. Nah. Put those rims back, bruh. I like the Benz ones.
I don't know how like sila sa hawil.
Kya me?
Hey.
BBS. Okay, it's not bad.
Nah. But the first ones,
I
though.
like the Benz one. No.
Those are G63.
Not those ones. Not the BM ones. Yo, Lesero, I see you. On YouTube, I see you, my guy. Okay, with the red stripe, that is not bad. It's not bad. But I don't know how I feel about this red. I don't know how I feel about it. But I think it's not bad. Can I am this one? I like this one. Yeah, I like these ones. Can you like put a young what you call this, adjustable coilovers there?
That's an interesting color.
It's an interesting color, ne? That purple. Okay, I think I like. Wait. This also look nice. Nah, but I like. Wait. I like that. This color is not bad. Can I add man?
Oh, one of these color nyana ingati ya change nya. That was fire. And it's only that purple you did.
But
fire.
But I like this brown one. Check out the brown one. This is fire too. Purple. What color should I go with? Not blue. I kind of like this.
This one.
Yeah, I don't know why, but yeah, glad. Let's see white. Put white. Let's see. Sing white.
When I white le attire we straight to
White again.
boss man wa go di farm ngwanaka.
Katoro.
Now that hat.
Is the one. How's white? White White is nice, bruh. No, the white before this one, not this white. The white before this one. Interesting. Okay.
Uzotshela mina yini oyifunayo la? Ufuna le imoto into yakho even lakho libe the way belingakhona.
But I can't understand what you're saying.
Chief bona uthi uzwana ufuna uthini khuluma ngikuzo.
Katseba bua. a
Wa re
zamanyana o bua Setswana mara ke tseba Sesotho at least. Ke re,
bona.
wa
Na
tseba
nyathetha nyakhuluma.
oh my
I'll tell
God.
you. What's up?
Okay, the translator to wait. I'm saying, do you want your car to be like that? The white, the that white and the rims.
Yeah. It was nice. Wait, can you not change the bumper?
No, the only extras of this car it's the rare. I think it's this of thing, the metal thing. There.
Hey, can we change it? If we can change it, let's change it.
Can take it out, not change it.
Ah, no, leave it. Is fine. Eh? I'll be ramming the police there. Leave it.
Okay.
Yeah, the way it was, those rims and the color white. Yeah, I liked it that
Hey,
way.
Baba, you are running away. What's wrong with you? Okay.
No, I'm here.
Stop moving, man.
Okay.
Yeah, you want the rims, the color to be that white color, that one.
Yeah, the white car. Yeah.
Okay, so I'm supposed to put full upgrade in the engine, table, and everything.
Yeah. Can you make it bulletproof also?
I can make it bulletproof, but everything costs. Full upgrade, it's around, let me check, 450K.
Don't worry. I got you. Don't worry.
Oh, so una le matsebetsebe, ne? Let me do everything. Okay, let me call charge you first one.
You think I'm not gonna pay, bruh?
No, bro, the business police, Baba. But like, this is not my company. We want Tasha to come and want money to me.
All right.
Yeah?
Okay. No, do your thing, bro. Do your thing. Can't he remove that raptor stick? I don't think so. Yeah, sure. $450K, bruh, for an upgrade. Visuals. Tour guide. Tour guide Rico.
Ke mona BK we.
What's up?
Latele a rona le ditlhobolo da go pusha o bunyana rona ya maloba e.
Hey, bona ke bank nge transi o ra go betsa sha, o re betsa highest eh.
Eh. Ata ke mo letse khantelenya.
Eh. Na ke manda highest, ke na madi, ke jile madi.
O banganya koloi.
Ba ga koloi. Madi a ka heletseng koloi.
Konga lezophuka la. Uyaphuka wena. Uyaphuka wena. Uyaphuka wena. Uyaphuka wena.
O batla letse fro ya go ele re neele madi.
Uyaphuka
Fro
wena.
la re tseng mo mathata, ba tla re tswala mo mothong o.
Uyaphuka wena.
O la re tseng mo mathateng. Ba tla re tswala mo go yena.
Uyaphuka.
ito ne ke na le ene kgantele mara ke re go na le fro engwe ya ka mmua ka leina re mana tswaela mo mothong o a go swela
ke go bole tja go no bona ke di vibe tsa go ke a di bona
ala ke ne motho wa shapo
mandala wa lela anta lo go iragala eng o ka hao
hamba la Sam
bara yo bua le mogala ne mo
mango
bara yo bua le mogala
no
Sam se ko letso
no he's not on the phone
Sam se ko letso Sam se ko letso pe Sam se ko letso ngamelo kwehla
can we change the plate number
I think I'll check.
Sam pe Sam
Go
kwek
park it and take it
uzolithatha
out.
ungahamba ungixoxela uzothatha kwek ungahambi
Okay,
what's up
I'm saying go pack it and then take it out.
would it be fine
No, I need to paint it so when I was previewing it stayed there, the color stayed there, but it didn't change here. So
okay sharp
to pack it and take it out.
all right sharp hey brah bar is locked you know go iragala where did you go
a tsena da o tsenya koloi da coming.
yeah. Let now I have a Mark 1. Is this the Mark 1 of the velocity? Hey, hardy.
wena
Yo,
So-
is this the Mark 1 of the velocity? Mark 1 of velocity. Yo, is this the Mark 1 or the velocity?
It's a Mark 1.
So Mark 1. Alright.
It's a rabbit.
Alright.
now this is fresh so what bands are we talking about chief
In terms of what you want
money
to change
if it's if you yeah
you wanna do a full upgrade to be like
yeah
I think it's the same amount BK will pay for 450k
450k
because I will be changing
Far.
the engine,
These things are expensive, bruh.
changing the engine, putting the
Yeah, I'm gonna save
table,
the life. I'm gonna save it.
safe harnesses of the safety belt, changing the color of the rims,
all right now let me
putting the extras, changing
see
your
me right now
cylinder head of your
I've
engine.
listen I have 200k right now in my bank you know
In your bank, I BK must pay for you. BK ona le matsebetse.
Bruh.
bona bk rate
Sheba fela. I got kile ka ofa meter. Ka demand meter so. Anke sona matsebetse.
Wait
Do
a
the favor
minute.
for this guy.
I'm still paying out my house, chief. I'm not done with my house.
Oh yes.
nah born it's okay no it's okay don't worry I'll come to you I'll come with the money back I'll come fix the car it's cool
No, we're gonna make money from here. Don't worry.
No.
hey
BK, in term 100k, I'll take out 100k, and then it's fair for me and you. See,
All right.
Sharp.
I send the 100K to who?
No, I will charge 200K. Don't send it.
Oh.
I will probably charge you 100K, and then I will take 100K. I will take 200K on me.
You'll charge them each 100.
I need to maybe 450, so ngizokhipha 250 mina. Le out there na 200 le ebank ya.
Oh, okay.
What's up, banana cake?
Into le mina ngizokhipha 250.
Okay.
So I need to go to the bank to get money, ne?
Nah, don't go to the bank. I will probably charge you.
Okay, no stress.
Our
What's that now? Athi ucima ugesi. Uthunywe endleleni yocima ugesi. Hayi. Ufundile nje namhlanje. Nini? Usucijisa umlomo phela. Nini? Hayi, usuphosisa. Mase ngithi uba nokubonile uzongitshela. Manje-ke hayi funda kanjani ikamera?
The white is nice.
Ayenziwa, ayenziwa loo nto na. Ayenziwa loo nto na.
Must be very careful or get banana young. You took the money already. Wait, hold that thing. Ricky, did you also know we did this? That's so in anyone. Where's Ehoda?
Let's say, man.
Ah, well, we get clear. I haven't done my Mac 1, but I did my velocity.
Hey, I have a kante. Ema, bro, I have bukun. O share, I think king. Ki 6 ho mo gonna get 5.
Go 5.
Hey, there's a car she shared with me, right?
Wait, there's a go. There's a go 5.
It's okay. I ki 6 ho. Man, but she shared a car with me, right?
Oh.
I mean, I seen a fuel, man. It's okay. I get a fuel, man. What I had a fuel because man, babantu ayla.
You gotta get Johnny K. Oh, Bradley Kiyo.
Hey, man. Yeah, man. Okay. Yeah, we're kita buya len. Kaya babatla next week. Kaya besa na.
Read the game, man.
Kantam tago buya le man ya mana.
Man.
Oh, happy la haro na.
Thank you.
Sara buya kana buya le fro.
We are live frog.
Sara ke morani tsara ke aw. Chief. Andra mna na le family kana ne kriketa ho potsa ka thai. Ona tlo re bola isa batho ba ka nyaro. O boss.
Gontsalo. Game o batla ba go akanyetsa. About ba go tlola ba re bra, I'll take you to the farm and I'll tie you there and leave you there.
Meka ba tar cheka ma le itale mona. Mta kwateng ne ke ya go deliver fuel. Aba ba ta bantar no re ta ka ta re setsa zolo da. Camera ke ra no sure. Hala ke ka o mo ba o tswa traka ba go thula ka yona. Ha ke re ka re 1 2 ke setsa o setsa ansa tlhobo re ke mona chief ka ke bona re hanka ba isa da. dog, you don't know who I am, man. You don't know the people I play with.
What's in pela tau?
Yeah, man. About to when I'm gonna, do you look like you're new, man? And you lied to me, Karakiro Bari, man. Man. Boy.
Go man, I'm talking a lot of you and go wow, Kenek.
Why? It's not my mechanic. But I think that the Babanganya sing was in a sing.
Who's any part? After that, the engine at Tazaka.
I would have changed a color. I did make him when I'm to get a back.
Suspension or performance, watching.
Wa go ira ka a kere ya go tsamaya senta e tshwane le ke go le 4.5 a kere the Hilux, the Land Cruise ke
Is it a 4.5? I get
ya re tsenya mo ditlhareng kana koloi Mr. Ra go tsaya koloi malo.
No, handling ya teng a se ke itlwele. How was your trip to Maung, brother? The trip was nice, guys. I got while handling it. I think I need to get used to it, Bill. Yeah, it's a 4.2. What is a 4.2?
4.2 okay, junior never
Junior, I can't know much. I think can't know ring.
Junior mana wa the items tsa go di mpha botshelo right di clip tsa tsa TikTok da
le la tshole di mphala itse ba clip e o diretse nna la gore ke level and it's okay.
it's
Aba dira convonyana tso ra tso be ke pheka me le nna ke ntsha one ya me.
wa bua ngwana wa bua re tsena mo spacing
Wa re tsena mo spacing kana mana mala ba mana ne ke la tso ga tla bondo go be ke sa fly
kana maloba kana ke tshwantse go ira session ka moso ke ipotsa ra me ke ta gona wa itse
no bua ka one kana ra mo
ke ra mob game ke ra go Bahama Mamas
ke go na go mang
ke ta go bolela le ita ka ipotsa ka bo 8 kana ka bo 9 me ke feel like ke diegile go ira poster a teng ke tla bona ka dira maphakelang ka e ba
gape ne ke kile ka tsena party ngwana mona ko in a yacht na go ke na le bafana ba bana le madi mo gaming ke bona gore mona go ha ke na madi
Mr. Wata re dira madi go
ba ba ka di Rolls Royce monna di phikilwana di pegile ba yana mo teng
are mona leito naro ntsela madi gantele o tsamaya ka Maybach nyana yana kana ke hateking this Mercedes Benz ntlo ya gagwe le itaka
bana ba bana le zaga chief
go ta re tsose le itaka hoda
ba da re tsose bana ke a batho mo apara bofamana gore ke itsenge mo mmuding
ana me ba ta go batsa di highest bona ke sa petse highest ba ta re nna di hitman mona bo
kana hitman ke ile ka hiya tiro ya hitman ne ba nne na 100 million for hit go betsa mta ko mwa wa gangster yana
bata me le ta bata re ka prisoner ke re tsamaela 10 years nyana be re tswa le itaka mme madi a tsene wona wa bona
madi a tsene ke ile ra betsa highest ya FNB gape da ele ne bolesa ngondo ele
na me ke batla go na le polisinyana ke le beile trap mona wa chief nyana na mtha ko re tswantwa
ke no wa chief wa dikele askele
I think hati Rikishi kana hati ke ene ma mtha ko
ke ra he has short hair agere ke a mitsi
ke a matla mtha ko
na ke batla
records ke ene chief records TR Temba
na ke batla wa general Willis
o go irile
ke na ntshwere malast ke hijackile koloi
mona mathaka mona ka di hijacking
ba wela ba wela
mthako o kene ka enga sa hetse yana wa ya ka brai
a re go komela mthako wa ya ka ro swapela engine yo
o change maotwana bra
Right.
ya monna BK
hola how far
betse ke sa o shapela dintho mo check yabo.
Oh.
Tshwantse ke craft ntho tse 2 because ke etsetsa wena le ntho le mpeng jao ke mang ko nje lebitso la motho
John J.
Yeah. Anyways, Dinta,
Why chilling, bruh? Nothing much.
bagcina uyithola i-future wife yakho.
Hey, bruh, I decided to stay away from Hans from this city, bruh.
What happened?
Bruh, all the Hans here, man, they're dangerous, bruh. They're gangsters. You saw another one that wanted to kill me the other time. I'm like, nah, this is the last time I'm trying to hit on any girl in the city, bruh. This is a ghost, no?
I don't know. I can't see.
Who's this now? He just came in and went out.
Some people.
Let me go check who that guy is. Yo, chat, if you're watching this for the first time, please do follow so you don't miss out when we go live again. Motaso. Motaso. Happy, thank you for the follow. Marque Motaso.
Yellow.
Aye, oh yellow. Go inside. Go inside.
Ubani.
Angazi nami ukuthi ubani.
Jack la.
Jack.
BK, ne?
Yo.
Hey, sorry.
How about you? Didn't say I'm chilling.
Ubani lona man?
Jack Mujika nami.
Yeah.
Go lay you
Jack.
parts.
Hey, Jack. Hey, mana BK kanam tako. Orang tako na kiwara gere. Mana Kenny.
I'm a no Arabu Tagwan.
Oh, late na wang kidnap one, but here's give Galen, Kenan and Libby Cobol, happily. Until I get a mask, you can a push a heist there.
Nigga Mutula or message.
Yeah, we got push a heist lane, my one.
Hey.
Very meet the eye, very much better right to there.
What are you born? Usually, no, bra, we don't know anything. I don't trouble on my dira, how can I bring more labarzaza?
I can meet it. I was.
Don't trust anyone. Don't trust anyone in this city, bro. Cody, don't trust anyone. Hey, don't trust anyone. Life in SA.
Le battile. Ah, che tu le battile la ronale che maca, right?
La or locked bo le sa buli.
Am tako ba re vaira sentele na fila awa e bere mo kwa.
We nya kana lo e.
Takom. Ke tlila la o ntsa hlobolo ka ke my dog wa nkitso ke ba le bo man ke ba le bo ghost.
It's my first time watching the stream, Mariking. I will always be here, dog. Thank you, Eddie. Thank you. Hey, Ramza 3 feet mtaga.
Udlala karo.
Hey, what's that ke mangole?
On khakola braya di jeje ya maloba, right boy?
Hey, come on. Wo ke manyano ne man?
Kene brai. Ke Jack.
Ya no mo we mo pholong ye re dole ke mang?
He mana gompieno go a ka re go na le high state dirwang ha.
E teng. Yo,
Yo.
what's up?
I'm good, and you?
Sharp.
Alright, thank God.
It's BK, ne?
No.
Huh?
What you were saying?
I'm saying I'm BK.
Oh, BK, how's it, my man?
Sharp.
Men's here.
Menzi.
Menzi ola.
Awe bathi.
Grand chief.
Wathini man?
Ngimnandi.
John J da.
Oh, hey, hamba man.
Grand wena.
Yizo.
It's been a minute, my dog. It's been a minute.
Yeah.
We.
Small world.
Yeah, nah. What's happening, chief? What's happening?
Yeah, I'm trying to fix this car, so Santa we keep a like garage.
Hey, awe, nice. Looks fresh.
This guy's bringing all his cars now. What's happening?
Come again?
It means Jack. Jack is bringing all his cars da.
Oh, Jack uda.
Yeah.
Mlungu wami unamhlanje on.
Menzi.
Is that danger, that one?
Who? Jack.
By toolbox there.
PK, who's fixing your car, by the way?
Oh. I'm a Bailey sheep.
Hey, Menzi, what's the story, though? We talked, Maloba. They're saying there's some business, though. I've been waiting for that call.
What kind of business? There's a lot of people who want to business.
Uthi the for
Awe kabe hambakazi.
kabyani.
Ichop sibali.
Ichop.
Bakubilwe.
Leya ndoda leya uJamal.
Awuthi hamba ngiyazi. Izoflyer in ngabo. It's on the trom. Izoflyer in ngabo 12 level.
Into nizenzayo.
Ithe izoflyer in.
I don't.
Hey, Menzi, your friend, the German.
Who?
German.
Achifa ngimcava.
Ele on the floor.
Brother, there's this German dude. Unthathela trucking, what? Kuza ngetrucki, azi.
But you're working on the floor. This is on the floor, bruh.
Yebo.
Boy, Chad, let me go take my velocity from outside. Then I get a blender da.
Check my check.
Yeah, but I get
Nah, look, BK. This is BK. BK is.
It was here.
It's BK. BK. We wanna roll out with the convoy da.
I brought out my velocity out.
Yeah, but Menzi, you need to put us on. Me and BK, you need to put us on.
Chief, I mean, I'm laying low these days.
What happened? What
Ah,
happened?
what happened? What happened?
I am laying low.
I saw Ghost has been making the headlines here, Chief. Hey.
Last time ngangena ngazwa nabantu wrong.
No,
Oh, I
it's
was
not.
in the
It's
wrong
not
place in the
BWP.
wrong time.
But gents, you need to put us on. Me, I want to roll with the top dogs, with the big dogs, ne?
I can speak with that guy. The danger. As you
Check.
can,
Yeah, boy, I'm coming.
as you can hear the name, danger. Ngozi.
For real, I'ma check him out. Hey, dog. Cause the streets are not easy. I can't be delivering fuel every day. Aye.
Nah, Chief. Big hassle phela nje.
But one of these PD, man, this PD are harassing. You can't be searching. Kind of the other day, someone's like, "Why do you have a laptop?" I'm like, "Oh, chief, chief, a laptop."
Those guys, they need to go back and learn, man.
Now we need to teach them a lesson, though, Jen.
Chief. And I bang search at the other time. I was like, I bang search a lot. Yeah, they came 3 or 4 or 5. They came to me and they said, "Hey, Babu, your colors are in."
And that's man. They intimidate those guys. That's by it to say, like you just be rolling
The
there.
tall one, there's this guy who I don't know his name. The tall one there.
I want reports, dog. One of the chief.
Hey.
I'm fucking trap with that one. Hey, man. And Jack is Jack. What is Jack planning, gents?
These guys are driving nice cars.
Hey, man. What is Jack planning there? And two, so Jack.
He's trying something.
But Chief, let's talk. Why are you laying low? What's happening there?
Chief, I was in the wrong place in the wrong time.
Yeah, those guys.
I got arrested for nothing.
Hey, these guys don't play, Chief. Hey, they don't play. They don't play.
Like ngiyahamba ne, like shuthi chief lo amazi wa chief wayedaleni but wayedale something wrong and ufuna amahandi mina ngamxesha ke yabo.
And they don't want to hear that.
Sure, chief.
And thinking about those guys don't want to listen, bro. You try like
They don't listen. They just
like bango shoot first, listen later. That's the problem.
Yeah, chief. Those guys. And next time let's pursue. Lento yabo to vele smoke nje.
They don't listen, those guys.
Uthi ayachaza even if usulapha phakathi kuma-jail cell. Angekho isho i-1 okulela la. Even now nalo internet wakhona lo chief la ukhona lo nix.
Hey.
Bamamile laba lo.
But we need to make moves. These guys need to be taught a lesson.
Okay, akekho ngithiwe ihata la. There's no cop here.
No.
So I need a hot gun, ne?
I mean,
I need a hot gun. There's something that I need to take care of.
Me, Chief, I'm blank 0.
APK. He's on his side. This one.
I mean, BK are clean. That's why we like, we need to swag planning. We need to.
I'll talk with that guy about danger to petting danger sadly because uhleze umastermind. Hlele ujima lapha kanti hayi uyocabanga.
Me, I need just one nice score. I want one nice score.
Yeah, chief.
One nice score and I'll be sorted for life now.
Chief, kumele sishaya sibambe ingane president demand i-ransom lapha.
I know we can plan it, or we can plan it, no.
Sibambe ingane president sifuna nje 100 million.
It's BK.
How much was this?
I think he's in his head. He will come and tell you.
And you go on. I'm coming.
Very means we need a clean job, you know.
Yeah, I clean man.
Nice planning,
Yo,
Awe,
Kibuila.
hey.
Who is that?
I know now we're talking with Menzi da to say we need a nice clean job, ne?
Okay.
Menzi is like we should get the president's child.
We need to
I'm
hit
down.
a checkpoints.
Like a nice clean
Wow.
job.
What's happened here? Hey, maybe it's on my screen only. Can you see that golf there is busy crashing other cars?
It's Jack. What guys? What's Jack doing? Jack has been dropping cars here.
All of his cars are here.
Now let me ask him. He's coming. Hey, Jack. Chief, all your cars are here. What's happening, my guy?
I'm repairing them, all of them, if they are fucked up.
Oh.
Hey, Chief.
How much do you have in want to repair all these cars, bro?
Which Jack is this one?
I'm here to repair.
Are you Jack Kumede?
Hi, Mudivo.
Oh.
Hey, you see Monabike, Jack is the big dogs. You know, I wanna roll with the big dogs. Jack is the big dog.
Oh, okay.
Gents, are you? All of you?
Somewhere, something like that.
Yeah.
I think I have to look out because I can't see the guy who's talking. I only see his tunes side. I can see all of them, all of the things that is happening here beside you, my friend.
Me, I can see everyone.
Hey.
Hey, like which vent is that one? Which vent is that one? It's the first time seeing it, this one.
Which one?
Your vent. Yeah.
JLS.
Oh, the shoes.
Oh.
Yeah.
Hey,
It's not the vent, Baba.
Who owned this Suzuki?
It's me.
You PK?
Huh?
Nah, Jack.
Oh, Jack. Oh, yeah.
Here I need a stance and a paniki tires, you see. Then go make transport the.
Jack, this is the one you carry the mummies with, ne?
Aye, it's a V-Class that I come mummies with.
You can
V-Class.
the interior, man.
Hey. This.
Oh, guys, fuck us. Put us on your plan.
People are living here as we're just TF of, accompanying people here.
You'll arrive, don't worry. It's life.
But put us on. Gents will be like, you arrived. They don't put us on.
You have to figure things out there. You have to get robbed a lot.
Get robbed a lot.
Uzobona ngoma 11 after 11.
Ayimele umuntu athole isithunya makanje na.
Sashaya isikhathi uzobona ukuthi company la kule city le.
Kuzaba busy la.
Imagine working hard then uthi uyafika nje umuntu oyi-1 azokuthathela yonke ichelede yakho.
Yes. What's happening?
I'm using a vape.
Okay. I was like, yes.
There's vapes here.
This thing knocked me out.
But I'm saying there's only my boss who has that. 100K.
100K for vape.
That's a car.
But gents, you guys are rolling with the big leagues.
Those ones,
That's my salary, man. 4 months.
Those guys are playing in Premier League. We are playing in second division.
My guy, it's not even second division. As we are there in dust, my guy. They Squawking.
You have to work hard, Jones.
That Jack, tell us. Work hard way, my chief. You are not delivering fuel, you. Which jobs are you pushing out here?
Push some crime there. You leave. You see me, I survive with crime.
Exactly.
What
That's where
kind of crime?
that's where we're saying put us on, chief.
CIT, there's cash transit high. There's a hacking. If one of you can hack, then you good there. There's a bank heist, but it needs 3 cops. There's a lot. There's a lot. Keep
I
on
need
500 million other
500
3 million. 3 million.
Hey, BK got excited then.
Hey, 500
What?
million. Hey, I want that one.
500 meter.
500
Yes,
meter.
yes.
Hey, bo.
Koto zobo.
Hey.
Richie,
Ha, yeah.
few
Ha.
hours.
Nya.
Uyabona manje bank ikhona. Zikayishaya kodwa izodinga i-hostage.
Ah, 500 million.
There's someone who can hack.
500
Okay, I
million.
can pay hostage there. I can pay hostage.
We need someone who can hack, Baba, and drive.
Wait. What?
Million.
Do I need to learn to hack, or what's the story? What's happening?
500
Yeah, you need to
million.
learn to hack.
Where you got the 500 million now?
This guy gave me 500 million. bruh.
Bona gents, listen. Let's talk here, ne? So Menzi is saying can be hostage. Me, I can give
Then they
myself.
can hack.
I can hack, man.
Danger can hack it, danger. Danger can hack. I trust him.
And see, paki moto zami zibona kusenza.
No, King. Which heist are we doing first?
Bank.
The bank. The
Yeah.
police are small.
Look at there is available. Look at heist there's on scoreboard.
Let me check.
Guys,
the
why are you
police.
raising your hands, guys?
Let's go.
We are so excited.
You had there a convoy. Are we all getting velocities? What car are we going with?
You can't go.
Hey, Baba.
Velocity.
Don't park your cars, Jack. Don't park your cars. Leave your cars here.
Okay, so we're using one car.
Hey, we need the first car. You.
Me, mine is slow, gents.
Who is the first car?
There's what?
I'm gonna use the brother there.
The what?
We need two.
The Bravas.
Yeah, we need a hostage and guns, masks,
Will be an hostage.
and a pistol.
Yeah, I can pay hostage.
Hey, then let's pass by the clothes there. Get a mask and BK.
Do you have a wait? What is this first? Bonjour, Dantale. Do you have a
Let me park my car. Oh.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm picking the car.
Yeah, your car, it's only short with the fuel tank, ne?
Oh, so you come do it.
Yeah, we'll do it when you come back.
Okay, let me.
Then I have to put the lights. You see,
Yeah.
there are no lights here down.
Yeah,
And
the
then
lights.
Even here. Only 3 things are short here.
Okay.
But if we get gold bars and what item?
Oh, since 500 million. What's so special about that vape? Yeah, I eat it, chief.
You must keep them.
Nice. But these, monake van. These are my vans. Monake van. Let me lock my car.
What's this so strange?
You're getting thirsty. I can meet.
Man, those guys, why are they in the corner talking? They.
I don't trust them. I don't
trust them.
What? Nah, listen, gents, listen. That means we have to watch each other's back, da.
Yeah, because what they're doing is not shady, bruh.
Those guys.
They're coming. Shh. You're changing. These guys, they changed.
There's no old group here.
Nah, it's for us.
Hey, le mota ina maofili nje.
Who's our hostage here?
Menzi is our hostage.
Broski is rich.
Don't kill me. Don't
Let me,
shoot
let me, yeah, raise your hands. Let me search you if you don't have something illegal. Let's see.
I don't think I have anything on me. No.
Put your hands up there.
Why are you searching him now?
I wanna see if he doesn't have something.
Ah, bruh, that's the nah.
If you have something, we dead there. We are dead.
I have a laptop there. I have a laptop
fake
and
hostage. We are dead.
those guys the other day were asking me, why do you have a laptop? Are you hacking? I'm like, chief. These cops, man, they did in metric.
What the radio are we on?
Yeah, let's create.
Are you pimping that car? How far is the pawn shop from here? Who's this one now?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Is this Tiger?
Danger should tell these guys that shop is closed.
Who is this guy? I've seen this guy before.
Yeah, man, BK, we need to change clothes.
Hey, are they gonna wait for us? We go change clothes. Kind of what's happening?
And we'll pass by the shops first. By the shop. Hotana maswe dale itaka.
Wow, bona le.
Something.
Hey, bona, Danger, we're gonna pass by the shop.
Yeah, we must.
So we can get masks there. Which car are we using? The blue one, innit?
Let me change this.
Answer your phone.
Who's this? Who's this in yellow there?
Hey, it's not Tiger, this one. It's Mila, it's not Tiger.
Ola.
Ola, chief. Hambani, baf. Hambani.
Fresh.
The phone is
So you completely mask.
Yeah, who's this?
So you completely mask.
Chief. Did I meet Slangene earlier?
Yeah.
By TT there, ne?
Yeah. We met
Nice to meet
BK,
you.
I think. We met.
It's Mila. It's Mila.
What radio?
I was with these two gentlemen, yeah.
By TT earlier.
Yeah, these two, yeah.
Let's use Radio 14. Radio 14.
Okay.
Radio 14.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, you see, I'm here. This is me. It's not it's not Tiger, this one.
Awe.
Yeah, let's go then, gents. 3 must get in my car. 3 must get in the blue car.
Even this one with the work things.
I know we're going to the shop. We're passing by the shop. We'll change that. Here, man.
Press the flexor F5 there.
We're only using BMWs, huh?
Awe.
Hey, man, John. What do I flex for me to speak with the?
Alt and then.
Come in, Bob.
Sharp.
Awe.
Hey, I need to get
You guys can hear me,
Yeah, we can hear you.
Yeah, you audio board.
It's about to go down.
Awe, BK, let's get some item there.
Alright, cool. What?
I'm going to refill gas there. In 2 minutes.
Yeah, gents, it's a chase. We are not shooting there, ne?
Yeah, it's a clean change.
Yo, we left someone.
Yeah.
Danger, we left
And
someone.
then they must chase us for at least 2 minutes after that.
Danger, we
It's
left
not
someone.
danger.
Let's go back.
It's
We
not
left someone.
danger. It's back. I'm going to refill. I'm coming back.
You're going where?
To refill gas.
Oh, shit. Hey.
Don't worry, man.
This thing's flying.
The Empire.
You can drive, bro. You. Hey, you know, fuel is so expensive these days. You. How much is it to full tank on this one?
I think 200,000.
200,000.
Oh, my miles. It's not much money, bro.
Well, no, you are rich, kind of. You see.
I'm not rich, I'm bushy. There's some people richer than me.
How much do you have right now?
Me? You wanna know?
Yeah.
$2 billion.
2 billion.
Yeah, we've been pushing. Let me pack this car and take it out again. You see the light is gone. Okay.
Agents, the police locked out. No longer on duty now. There are only 2 officers.
There's only 2.
Yeah, we wasted a lot of time.
How many do we need? 3.
Yes, 3.
Yeah, we need 3.
Let's go get them. Let's go kidnap the police.
What? What are you think here is a movie, ne? Where are you, gents?
At the bank.
Where?
At the bank.
Niji, no, the one there.
We're at the bank next to...
Kwasa Motel.
Yeah, Kwasa.
Johnny, I don't have a change anymore.
Hey, no, I can give out. Get some money there. It's good. Let me go. I got the money there. Yeah. Hey, let's dip by change there. I got the money. Wait, let's go. I change and then we buy.
Where are we going?
Shop. Just go straight. I change by the shop.
After you go to the shop, why are you going? Because there's no cops that are required for bank.
What are you doing, bro?
Yeah, I'm thinking you're doing donuts.
So what's the plan now? Run the cops. It's like bye bye.
Ah, they are scared of us. They saw big boys with BMs. They said, yeah, we are leaving. This PD.
Hey, Baba, you must medic, Baba. You must
Huh?
medic. You must
Come on.
medic. You must
This
get
guy's
medical.
no.
Don't get medic. Let me give you bandages. Oh my
Yeah,
God.
shift around, guy.
Move,
Oh, eh?
move, move.
I buy gloves. You want me to wear gloves? Why?
Use this. Go outside and use this.
Oh, eh?
Guys, should I get gloves?
Yeah. You can get gloves, Baba.
Okay, sure.
Just right click on it now. The medicate it will help you.
I don't have the money. My money's in my bank. It's cool. Next time. We just go in the street, start killing everyone. The police will come. Let's cause a scene.
Now we'll go and do the package heist.
Oh.
I did.
Yeah, you
Okay.
good now.
Well, you
Ah,
mustn't
weh.
die. You mustn't die on us, though.
You're still
I
dying,
don't.
Bob.
But
How?
still limpy.
How, gents? I used the bandages. That.
Yeah. You still look.
Move them, move.
Yeah, stop.
Let me give you the map.
He's still limping.
This
Oh, eh?
guy is gonna die on us. This
Did
one.
you right click on them? Right
I
click.
did.
3 seconds.
Don't go in front of people. It will not work.
Okay, now I'm using it.
Yeah, let's just do the package heist. The police will come. We'll get them there.
Package.
Yeah, not the package heist, man.
Cash.
The cash heist. Yeah, the one from Franklin's house.
But we need plan for this because there's cops. 2 cops.
Yeah, that's why I'm saying some people will stay there at the mountain, and then some people will go inside the house. So that
If people don't have guns, right?
who doesn't have a gun now?
The problem is the guns, Baba. No.
Bruh, they took our guns. This
Uba,
police.
no, Jasper.
Me. Yeah, I don't have a gun.
When you have too many problems. Let me
You don't have my. Oh, you don't have my thing here.
What's so special with that 300 1K vape, bro?
100K vape. It gives you
100K.
body armor.
Body armor.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's what's so special about it. And it make you feel this nice. This flavor. Country. Ice country now.
This guy.
Hey, Jack. Did you? Yeah.
Which one is danger here?
It's the other one. It's the one with
The
the
one
phone.
with the food.
Yeah.
Let's go to the shop. They pack all my cars, which is country.
What's the plan?
It means no crime now.
No crime, Baba. You can't do anything.
Oh, eh?
I
Yeah,
can't find your numbers, Baba.
the tsunami is gonna die now.
Let's go to the
Hey, Baba.
ngitshela iy'ndaba zika-Ghost ukuthi ushaye iy'mpahla.
Yeah.
Hey bana.
Hey.
Kandalat is not right, no?
Tsunami. Yeah. Kolei ke gana go bulega. Later, I can't get this car. But it's my car. Okay, tlhaloganya. Do your thing, player. Do your thing. There you go.
Hey, Chief.
Hey. Le nna ka re ke a go tsela yang. Ga o tsele sentle. I need to go sleep. Ke la pila. Bruh, these are my cars, bruh. I can't unlock my cars. There you go.
Okay, come and unlock your car.
Yeah, I'm coming. Go drink Red Bull. No, I'm not doing that. I'm gonna Red Bull it's an ante. But I was trying to
Can't see you have to deny me.
car.
Will you all be here?
Yeah.
It's not opening, bro.
Danger after tunamuzobalana. Ngiyabuya. Awezi danger. Ngasimfuna manje.
Our agents.
Okay. Guys, open. Yeah,
Are we coming back here?
Are you working on it? Oh.
Yeah.
Yo, John.
I know. Huh?
When I go tell them.
Oh, it's a little.
Yeah, na go tell listen. Don't say about terrible stream or go tell yo. Malala ko.
Yeah.
It's a panel late. I know I get time I get look it like a pile tota.
Menzi Fede.
Yeah, Chief, as I lost my text, I can't see anything now. Can you please show me Unya?
Wait, can you follow me?
Oh,
I
yeah,
don't know
I
if.
can.
Alright, let's go.
Still doing something on my car, but from here, I think I'll call it a night. Malita, like I said, I'm having a hard time balancing work and streaming. Like it's hot hard.
Alitak.
I say chill. It's already midnight. Sabana has to.
Yeah, what?
Your Taira has to come. Has to tomorrow. We want to do it here. Okay, I'm coming. Yeah, sharp.
Start your car, PK. I wanna see. Hey,
Hardy.
I'll try to light some lights there. I wanna see something.
How do I light?
On your keyboard, press H.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let me check another thing. Wait. I wanna see underground here.
Hey, for sure. Come also for sure.
The underground lights, they are not working. Right? The car doesn't allow them to work, but you can use the front lights. As of PK.
What's up?
I'm saying the underground lights, they are not working.
Okay.
The only front lights, they are the only one that are working.
Alright.
You can change colors if you want. If you want red, you change it to red. If you want blue.
No, for now, let's keep it white. It's fine white.
It's blue now. It's not white.
But on me is white.
Okay. You know, my eyes.
Okay, boy. I'm in front of you. 10 to your left. Work forward. Work forward.
You follow our way. Guys, if you're watching this for the first time, please do follow. And then, guys, I was explaining, I'm tired. I'm gonna end this thing very soon. Came to stream when I was tired, so.
Wait, can you see me? Alright, let's go to the door. Just follow me. I'm by the front door.
APK.
Yeah, what's up?
Give me number there.
Huh? Yeah.
Away.
See me, follow me.
Yeah, I'm gonna sleep. GTA. Yo, Danger.
Away.
Yes, I need to fly out.
Yeah,
I'm sleepy, bro. But we are done with the car again.
Yeah, the car is done. You like it?
Huh? Yeah, nice. I like the rims and the wheels. Cool chat. Take a pair of What's happening here? What do I need to do because I can't even turn a single car? No, you need to go to the garage. Let me take out. Tomorrow 1 a.m. You guys, I need to go sleep. Yeah, I need to.
Hola.
Upusha kulu ya gago ne mwana.
Yeah, menzu. O glitchitse da no arwe batla kwa ntle.
Na mana not like see it dog.
Awe, ka osane maji. What time are you flying in tomorrow?
What time are you free?
I think ring 9.
You are free 9.
You can born I'll text that. I'll text you.
Text me with your number on my WhatsApp.
Hasione ke na lone ne man.
Kana, it's the same one.
Ke na lam because I think ke a go office state I get chase. Ta bua le.
Okay, no problem.
Awe. Sure my dog. I get check le ite na banka ya trans ya kana. Awe bike.
Yo, chat, I have to go sleep. What's like? Tulamela mo live and it's not a cool thing. So I'm sleep on there. But yeah, cool. Don't forget to pray before you sleep. Just can one. Guys, let me go sleep. So I know I'm streaming late, like I said before. I'm having a hard time trying to balance work and stream at the same time. Cause I'm working from like early morning editing until like 4-5. And then from there I have to take a walk with the baby girl. I have to stream. So my body gets too exhausted. But I'm trying to find a way so that it's easier for the both of us. But like I said, let me dip. Appreciate each and every single person who was on the live. Means a lot. Taxi ya no yo robale. Shapo malitaka.